back to the channel, folks. In today's episode, I'm going to install some vinyl graphics. This is the first time for me for installing graphics, but I did do a lot of research on YouTube, of course, and I see there are some various ways to do it. This particular graphic is not very big, and I'll be putting it right in the back window of my 64 Chevy pickup. And so I guess first thing is to get this thing centered, so I'm going to need my glasses for sure for this. So I'm thinking a little bit of tape, but it's fairly close to the width of the window, and I think this will just kind of be close enough to eyeball it. More or less. So kind of like that. And if I hold that up there like that and just kind of make it the same on both sides, that should work. And I think I'm just going to put it at the bottom of the window as far as the actual backing paper, I guess you call it. So I think something like that. Just stick that there for now. And then the same here. And that really is going to be straight with the window rubber anyway, so we'll see how that goes. Another piece of tape there. Well, not exactly. Could come this way a bit. How about there? Okay, put it back down here. Like that. And that. Temporarily, so that's kind of got it, I think, where I want it. More or less. Luckily I got two of these, so if I screw it up, I can do it again. So now, apparently, you're supposed to tape it in the middle somewheres. I'm going to call that the middle. And that. Couple rows of tape. Oh. And then piece here. I don't think I need this part here, but that's what I saw in the video, so that's what I'm doing. Alrighty. Now, apparently, you're supposed to just peel this back. Yeah, peel this off, if I remember correctly. Peel that. And then cut this off. Oh, geez, I don't know. Supposedly, anyways. Oh, like that. Of course, I forgot to clean the dust off the window. Maybe that's on the inside. Let's hope it's on the inside. Then, oh, geez, come on. Cooperate. Oh, that really sticks on there. Nice. Oh, I got it. Not panic. Oh, kind of like that. Hold on. Oh. Kind of like that. I don't know about that part there. And then peel it off. Peel this off again because it's got a nice wrinkle in it. and supposedly get a squeegee. Squeegee it on. I don't know. It's on there. Up to there, anyways. Okay. Now, apparently, do the same on the other side. I'll take this off. Just like that. And this. Oh, hold on. And technically, should be able to peel that off. This time, I might hold it a little bit tighter. And the squeegee, where'd that go? Squeegee. Squeegee it on. Try and get the air bubbles out. That's one there that might not come out today. I don't know what that is. There it goes. Just an air bubble. See if I see any more. Okay. I got a feeling it's not perfectly straight, but give it the old squeegee technique. Little up, little down. Just like that. Okay. Now, this should just peel right off. Well, let me see. Let me try from that side. I did that first, so let's see what happens. Oh, come on. Don't fail me now. So far, yeah, it's looking pretty good. I don't think I see any bubbles or any kind of wrinkles, except for that when I started that, I did have a wrinkle, but luckily I was able to pull that off. I'm lucky to be able to pull anything off, to be honest, but I think they did mention a method of using water. I think I might consider that next time because that QR code was almost a tragedy. I hadn't pulled it back off again. So let's just see what happens here. I'm feeling pretty confident now. But at the beginning there, yeah, that wasn't looking good. Oh, no. What happened here? Okay. Got a problem here. The backing, where's that piece of paper? Why is that still on there? Oh, the backing paper didn't come off on that piece. Just when I thought I had it made, I don't. I wonder if I can cut that off. Maybe. Oh, geez. Shouldn't be cutting on my glass, but see if that does it. Yep. I'll peel that back. Okay. All right. We're averting disaster as we speak. Same deal on this side. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, the backing paper, I don't know what happened there. Couldn't have been my fault, that's for sure. Okay. There we go. Crisis averted. Keep going. That was weird. I don't know what happened there. What happens when you don't pay attention, I guess. Okay. I'm impressed that I could even do that without screwing it up too bad. You know, it's actually fairly straight, in my opinion. I guess. I'm not sure exactly. I should have probably measured the actual decal itself, which I did not. I went by the backing paper, which they told me not to do that, but I did it anyways. Oh, anyways, let me get that squeegee on there. I'm feeling pretty confident with this for my first time. And like I said, I do have another one if I screw this one up. But I'm feeling pretty good about this. I don't know if you're supposed to squeegee it after or not, but I'm doing it. And the funny thing is I don't see any air bubbles. That's strange. There should be tons of air bubbles. But as they say, no bubbles, no troubles. It's looking good. I don't even know if I should or do this, or I don't know. I'm just doing it. There it is, folks. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Is it close? Absolutely. I'm liking it. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. If you want to try this yourself, get some instructions off of YouTube. Don't do exactly as I do it because obviously it's not right, but it's close. All right. Catch you on the next one.